Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the 3 reasons nobody knows about spray foam roofing. So we did a LinkedIn poll to see just yes or no, do you know about spray foam roofing? And 79% said no. But those were people that follow West Roofing and know what we do. But if that was to the masses, probably about 95% of people don't know about spray foam roofing. So why is that so? The first thing is that it gets easily confused. It's easily confused with interior insulation. So a lot of people build buildings, they spray it in between the buildings when they're, or homes when they're doing insulation for them. And plus Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, they all sell this type of stuff for people. So they kind of dominate a lot of the search engine results. So if you Google spray foam, those stuff comes up. You literally have to put in spray foam roofing for anything to show up online. Number 2 is there's a lot of misconceptions about spray foam. People say it's weak, and which it's not. It's a very strong roofing system. People say it's only a temporary roofing solution when we've had roofs go for 40, 50 years with spray foam on them. They say it's new. Spray foam's been around since the 60s. So there's a lot of misconceptions out there. And when people are talking negative about something, people don't really want to research more about it. So maybe that's another reason why it hasn't been passed around. And the last thing is that there's not a lot of education about it out there. So there's the SPFA and spray foam worldwide, and then it's just up to the individual contractors. There's not many people spraying foam out there, so not a lot of blog posts, not a lot of videos out there, so it's just hard to find something about it. So if you want to learn more about spray foam roofing, in the description there's a URL to the blog post for more detail. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.